Nice to meet you, Bob. I'm Roy.
Nice to meet you, Bob Wenslow.
So can you tell us a little bit about yourself and also Crystal Pharmatech?
Bob Wenslow, PhD in physical chemistry. I worked at Merck for 15 years in research and development. Anything having to do with solid state, including formulation and crystallization development. In 2010, Alex Chen, who worked in my group at Merck, we decided to start Crystal Pharmatech, which now is a global CDMO with over 4 sites globally. And we really focused on the science and understanding the molecule as a material to make a medicine.
Tell me a little bit more about Crystal Pharmatech recently. Any major milestones that you guys have received?
We've expanded significantly in what we call Crystal Company. We have Crystal 𝗕𝗃𝗏 and Crystal Bio, which works on peptides, LNPs, all type of large molecule characterization and formulation. But we've really focused in and stayed in on the science, and that we're not as impressed with the growth as we are that the science kept up with the growth. And when we hire people like heads of our Crystal 𝗕𝗃𝗏 and Crystal Bio, we make sure that they're aligned with our scientific philosophy.
And recently, we're seeing a lot of deal that's booming from China. There's a lot of licensing out activities coming from China, going to the West. And a lot of people actually think that this is China being a fast follower, but actually maybe that's not the case. I would like to hear your thoughts on whether China is truly just a Me Too platform, or maybe there's true science and innovation going on there, and how you would see this trend continue to evolve in the near future.
It was inevitable that China was going to lead in innovation or start leading in innovation. We've noticed now with a lot of our clients that the work coming out of China is not Me Too. It's innovative technologies and it's new molecules. In fact, some biotech companies are licensing in China development compounds, new chemical entities. And knew it was inevitable because of the dedication to the science. And you had a lot of people that had gone to schools like Harvard and MIT and worked at large innovative pharma. And now they're back and they understand what innovation's about, and they're really pushing it within the company. I definitely see day-to-day increased innovation, and really innovation reaches across borders. So if there's a novel mechanism or a novel drug that's being innovated in China, it's going to make its way globally, because what we're aiming to do in this industry is really serve the patients and to get medicines to the people.
What is like the next step and next ambition of Crystal Pharmatech?
Our Crystal 𝗕𝗃𝗏 and Crystal Bio, the large molecule LNP, peptide delivery, biological characterization, it's massive. And we're very well established in the small molecule formulation space. We do small molecule formulation, we feel, differently than any other CDMO, because what we do is we don't hand off the project. We understand the molecule as a material from early on in the project, and then design the formulation for the specific molecule, which is our 𝗵𝗶𝗴𝗵𝗶 platform, which is a first-time right process. We're now implementing that from the small molecule world into the large molecule, the peptides, the LNPs, and really making an impact in those industries.
Would you say this particular streamlining and vision, and not just throwing like a full pasta on the wall and seeing what sticks, is benefit from having a China entity and having the ability to streamline these processes?
Absolutely. And so what our group in China versus other China CDMOs is we think about the molecule. So we can streamline the processes, but also we can take a look at the properties of the molecule and start making those decisions. And it's amazing working with our lab in China. I'm up every day at 4 in the morning US time talking to the scientists, and they're very eager. They want to solve the problem. They don't want to just finish the contract and get paid. They're really wanting to learn every day on how to make this process as efficient as possible. And it's a completely different mindset from the larger CDMOs that are looking for the phase 3 manufacturing. That's where their big money is. This early, let's spend a lot of time on the molecule, not that much profit, is not really highly profitable, but the impact of society and the impact of ethically doing research is incredible.
Absolutely. Value generation from very, very early on, and also a great learning process for your team and also for yourself.
Yeah, right. I'm learning every day. I'm reading papers every day. It's just amazing, being in this industry for over 30 years and really knowing that I'm just at the tip of the iceberg and really working with so many brilliant people and really absorbing their information and their knowledge and putting it together with my knowledge to really drive programs forward and really get to medicines that are going to work and help people.
That sounds amazing. Thank you so much for your time, Bob, and it's very nice to meet you.
Thank you. Have a great show.